Hey, what's good? This is your boy Legends, and you're probably wondering how I got here. Well, this is a story about the game that lets you break the rules. Because no other place will you find bikes racing with GT cars on the Isle of Man TT. On the Isle of Man TT. I'm in the grass. Bro! Yo, it's been a while since I played this game on the channel. RYZEN Xperience, always coming with some fire updates and showing its potential. It's one of the most underrated games for sure. I'm telling you, when it comes on to racing enthusiasts. If you're into racing, like for every kind, car racing, bike racing, GT3, Le Mans, this is the game for you, man. I haven't played in a bit, but we got plans for it. We're gonna get the multiplayer active again. And so today I just wanted to go over the update that we got recently with the new bikes, the new track, and also the previous one with the GT3 cars, just in case you don't know what you're getting. But yeah, man, we even got crash physics for the riders on the bike. You can do wheelies, stoppages, and stuff like that. Even in the races, you can set the races to race against other bikes, or you can set bikes with cars and stuff like that. It's lit. So let me show you guys what's up. Main menu, you're gonna see my Lamborghini GT car right here. It's what I was just using. But we're gonna head into the showroom, and here we got all the classes of vehicles that you can have. If I add this all up, I'm sure it's probably even more than CPM. With all the diversity of cars, you got the L class or the LMP cars, all of these. You got the GT cars right here. So this is a class I was racing with the Lamborghini and the bike. I put the bike in with the GT cars. Crazy, I know, but it's something you can do in this game. So you got a ton of cars you can choose from in the GT class. Corvette, the NSX, and they all sound amazing with straight cut gears. And back here we got the M for the motorcycles. You got old school all the way up. You even got police bikes. And like I said, you can do wheelies on every one of them, but just you have a dedicated wheelie button and stoppie button. And you can crash and fall off if you do it too much, if you hit certain obstacles and other vehicles. So the game's come a long way with all of these changes and stuff going on. I'm glad to see it. I feel like we should hop on this some of the times. Whenever we need a break from the regular stuff, we can hop on this for sure and get some time in with these awesome vehicles. You got trucks too. I'm surprised they ain't added more American trucks in CPM yet, like these ones. I would love to have this in CPM, but you can get it right here in RYZEN Xperience. And you can race karts and kart racing. I feel like having some competitions on here with that. And what else? F1 cars right there. What is this? Oh, these are just all the premium ones that are here. Okay, I see it. All the premium ones. McLaren F1 right there. But yeah, let's get down to it. Let's go test the bike out. Let's see if we can win a race. I'm on controller, so I'm going to suck at this. But it's worth a try. Let's go garage. Where's the M? M class. Yeah, which bike should we go? We need a fast bike. This is one I was just using. Or this. We'll go with this one because this one looks sick. And then we hit race. And of course, you can do your challenges, open world stuff, quick race. They added a new career for the bike series. So once you get done with these ones, you can level up to the bike series. But I'm gonna head into the quick race because I want to do the Isle of Man TT with the cars. I'll put the difficulty in hard, very hard. Let's go very hard, see if we can beat this. I'm gonna race the GT cars. Can the bike keep up? We're about to find out. You can set your time of day and stuff like that. Anything you want, as you can see here, how fast the time goes by. So a lot of stuff you can set up here. And I'm starting at the back of the track at position 8. That's where I want to start, make it more challenging, you know? Let's go. See if we can beat these GT cars. Are you pushing me, bro? Fine, go ahead. Damn. You're trying to kill me already and we just started. I'm in the grass. Bro! Damn. Now I gotta be careful because you can't actually get deleted in this. Whoa. All right, we gotta lock in now, twin. We can do this, twin. We can get in some positions. Hold on, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you, twin. I rage quit on that. So we we hit the infinite highway map instead. We gonna cut up instead because I can't do those races. I'm gonna have to practice that or use my phone instead. Hey, we cutting up, twin. I might crash in a minute. I'm not gonna lie. I need to start talking. I call it. But hey, let me know if y'all wanna hop on this multiplayer. I could do some live streams with it too. And we just all get on and have some fun. Depends on what cars y'all have though. I probably can hook y'all up with some cars. And we see how it goes. Yeah, try out RYZEN Xperience. Let me know how it is. Hit me up, join the Discord. We're gonna be popping off in there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Stay safe, twin.